watching Youth Tries. My name is Shanelle, and for this month's Youth Tries, I will be baking cookies and distributing them to my neighbors. The reason why I've chosen to bake cookies is because I personally have never tried baking before, so I thought that this would be a great chance to try it out. And since it's also Christmas season, I thought it would be an even greater idea to distribute cookies to my neighbors to spread some joy and Christmas spirit. Without further ado, let's get baking! The cookie batter is done! Now that I'm done with the baking, let's go pack it for distribution. Now I'm gonna go out and distribute the cookies in this basket. From a few doors away, and I baked some, so I want to give you and your family one pack. Saya dari couple rumah. Oh ini kasih lah. Oh ini Christmas couple. Oke, terima kasih. I'm from a few doors next door, and we baked some Christmas cookie, and I want to give one pack to your family. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great day. I'm back from distributing the cookies, and it was a success. As a first-time cookie baker, I was kind of surprised that baking cookies was actually this easy. I thought it would be more complicated, and I thought the happiest part from this challenge would be tasting the cookies that I've baked. But the happiest part is actually when I went out and distributed the cookies and saw my neighbors' reaction, because they were not expecting this, and it feels great to see them after such a long time because I've barely left the house since this pandemic. One memorable moment was at one of the houses, the dog came out and greeted me, so that was like so cute. I even waved at the dog, and one of them even said that that was like the first Christmas gift they've gotten after a long time. Since it's the Christmas season, why don't you guys also try giving to your neighbors and see what type of joy you can experience. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you so much to Youth Tries for having me this month. And I hope you guys had fun watching my vlog. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!